where everyday things come to life.
Hey, don't bite me, okay? I'm here to save your smile.
I didn't start as a toothbrush. I was plastic and nylon minding my own business. They melted and shaped me into a handle. Strong grip, comfy curves. Then came my bristles. Soft, tiny, but powerful. They dressed me up with colors. Now I looked cool. They bent me, shook me, tested me. I survived. They packed me neatly. Adventure time. One morning, you picked me up. Let's work. Up, down, round, and round. I fight plaque every day. Mission done. Clean teeth. Happy smile. I'm small, but I protect your smile every day.
Thanks for watching.